Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Social Security in the USA. First, you'll need to determine your eligibility for benefits. This involves understanding the work credits required. Next, gather all necessary documents, such as your birth certificate, proof of citizenship, and W-2 forms. Finally, decide which application method suits you best: online, by phone, or in person at a local office. Each option offers a straightforward path to applying. Applying online is often the quickest and most convenient way to submit your Social Security application. You can access the online portal 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Begin by creating a secure My Social Security account on their official website. This account allows you to start, save, and submit your application electronically. After submission, you can easily track the status of your application online. If you prefer a more personal touch, applying by phone or in person are excellent alternatives. You can call the national toll-free number to speak with a representative and complete your application over the phone. Alternatively, schedule an appointment at your nearest Social Security office. Remember to bring all your essential documents, like your Social Security card and birth certificate, to ensure a smooth in-person interview process. Once you've submitted your application, the Social Security Administration will begin its review process. They carefully examine all the information and documents you provided. Occasionally, they may contact you to request additional details or clarification. You will receive a formal decision letter in the mail, typically within a few weeks of your application. This letter will inform you whether your benefits have been approved and when they will begin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.